dust-free dry pulping production line of waste paper. In view of the fire prevention and control problem for dry pulping, a composite water resistance production line is used to increase the output. It is not recommended to use multiple single machines and a too long production line. Crushing section. Waste paper is sent to the chain conveyor by a mechanical grab and enters the shredder's crushing chamber. Then the shredder shreds it through blades cutting and tearing. The shredded scrap paper is sent to the buffer bin through belt conveyor. In the middle of the belt conveyor, there is a powerful electromagnetic self-unloading iron remover, which is used to absorb iron impurities such as nails in waste paper materials. The clean waste paper will enter the buffer bin. Pulping section. The crushed iron removed scrap paper is sent from buffer distribution bin to two variable frequency feeding conveyors respectively. Then is uniformly fed into the intelligent composite waste paper pulping machine through one distributing device. After being crushed by the high-speed multi-hammer's rotor, the waste scrap paper is made into fibrous form at one time through a special screen. After being pre-compressed by the lower double-screw conveyors, fibrous products are twisted to the feeding conveyor of baler. Then through the feeding conveyor, they are fed into the baler for the baling process. In view of the fire risk of dust-free dry pulping, this pulping system is specially equipped with a water-blocking water mist spray device to prevent open flames from entering the pile's dust ladder and causing major safety accidents.